White Pocket, a breathtaking showcase of nature's artistic power. The narrative of White Pocket dates back millions of years, set in the late Jurassic and early Cretaceous eras when the landscape was an expansive desert, akin to present-day Sahara. Towering sand dunes, formed by the movement of wind-blown particles, laid the groundwork for what would emerge as White Pocket. As time progressed, these dunes became enveloped by layers of sediment, and immense pressure altered the sand into Navajo Sandstone, a rock celebrated for its vivid colors and distinctive patterns. The geological transformation of the area continued beyond this point. Tectonic movements elevated the region, bringing the sandstone layers to the surface where they became subject to erosion's relentless forces. Wind and water expertly carved the rock into swirling formations and intricate designs. Occasionally, sudden floods shaped channels and gullies, enhancing the dramatic landscape. The process of chemical weathering further added to the visual splendor, with iron oxide giving the sandstone its stunning red shades, while mineral leaching produced the contrasting white tones.